YouTubers, and welcome back to the channel. So first of all, here we are back on the mighty ZX6, the awesome ZX6. The top gear roll on this bike, every time I get on it, it just blows me away. The way it just picks up and goes, it's just nothing short of mental. Nothing short of superb. Quick shifters smooth. I've got 52 miles to go, having filled up earlier, and I've done 125 miles today, and I just can't get enough of this bike. All I want to do is just keep riding it. A good mate of mine had a shot of it. He's got a KTM 990, 990 Super Duke, and he just can't get on the riding position. But I'll be honest, I mean, 6'4", I actually find it quite comfy. I really do. It's not bad really for a sports bike. It's not bad at all. Must be I've got longer arms, so that's probably why. But I don't find it too much of an issue at all. Haven't done 126 miles today on this tank. There's still 50 miles to go. You know, it does give a theoretical range of 170 miles. So we'll see if we get 170 miles out of it. Possibly, but I doubt it. We were riding fairly sedately earlier, so I don't suppose that that's going to be too achievable, but you never know. Anyway, I thought I'd do a little run out before we fit the new exhaust. So this video is really about standard can versus aftermarket can. I'll be honest, I've now bought the exhaust for this, but I actually don't dislike the sound of the standard exhaust. But it's a shame not to fit one. Just for the gains alone more than anything else. It's kind of your duty really, isn't it? But anyway, I'm just going to find somewhere and we'll do a couple of little ride-bys, and then we'll fit the new can and we'll take it from there. So there she is. Standard in all her glory. Now we'll do a couple of quick ride-bys. There we go. So now we'll fit our aftermarket exhaust and we'll do a bit of a comparison. Let's get to it. So yeah, I'll be honest, this is the first time in a long time, I think, having gone down the route of fitting exhausts and tuning and bits and pieces, whether I actually want to do it on this bike, to be honest. But I think the gains on this are worth it. Black Widow have just emailed me to say that their headers, their automated messaging service, have just emailed me to say that the Black Widow headers are now back in stock. So you start thinking, well, I'm not going to bother with headers, why should I bother? But you think, well, you can get rid of the cat. But I don't know if I'm that bothered about it, to be honest, this time round. I mean, I went the whole hog with the street and I still ended up selling it. So I think,
here we go again.
I think I maybe just put on the slip-on and just get it tuned and just ride it like that. And if I really feel like it needs loads more power, then maybe we'll revisit then. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not convinced if I want to go the whole hog this time. I think just a slip-on and can, and then just get the bike tuned to how it should be. It's probably going to be good enough. exhaust installed. Let's see what she sounds like. Baffle removed. We'll go for a little run up and down, and I'll stick the baffle in. Baffle installed. So there we have it. One Yoshimura AT2 3/4 system. Quite pleased with it. No doubt I'll get a full system for it. I'll get a set of headers, we'll get it tuned, we'll stick it on the dyno, we'll get it flashed, and we'll get it to just basically work the best that it can with the modifications that it's got, and that'll be fine. Circa 125, 127 brake horsepower at the rear wheel. That'll suit me just down to the ground, which is right in the same ballpark as a 765 RS. But with a slightly better top end and more high speed stability. So there we go. Anyway, from a beautiful day in the Shire, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for sticking with the channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to see more, please do like and subscribe. And ladies, for the 3% of you that watch this channel, thank you very much. And we'll catch you soon. Until next time, bye bye.